I am giving you 100% guarantee on this pancake recipe, and if it doesn't work out, take me to court. I was really just kidding, but to be very sincere, this pancake recipe is the easiest, fastest, and most efficiently perfect recipe you can ever come across. I decided to try out the STS pancake mix I got from STS Foods, and trust me guys, it's really lovely. I started by getting my bowl. I measured out 1 cup of the mix. I added in 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of either melted butter or oil, anyone that fits your budget, and also I added in 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of water. Then you start to mix. What I love so much about this recipe is you don't have a too runny batter at all. It's very silky, smooth, and you don't need to over mix. You just need to mix till all ingredients are totally incorporated. After that, we move on to the kitchen. Here you put a non-stick pan on the heat, very low heat. You can see I use my measuring cup. The reason is because I love my pancakes to come out perfectly well and the same to maintain consistency. I love using the 1/8 cup. I love evenness, and that is why I prefer that. So once you pour in your butter into your non-stick pan, you allow it to cook up, or what is the English, so allow it for some minutes, for a little seconds I meant to say, and then you flip over as I did right now. Then when you allow it also on that other side also to do for some seconds, and then you bring it out of your non-stick pan, you will repeat this process again and again. What I love so much about this particular process is the 1/8 cups helps me measure, and it gives me detailing, and what one particular thing is evenness, because there are some times where I make pancake for my clients, and that is the lovely pancake recipe completely available for you, because this particular recipe, as I said, is easy, is perfect, and very nice for you. It's one way go. And for those that are interested in getting the STS pancake mix, they are selling all other mix like the puff mix and a lot of other things. Send STS Foods a DM today, and I'm sure the patronage would be worth it. I surely adore this community of adorable subscribers, so if you're not already subscribed, please kindly tap that subscribe button, and for more intriguing, juicy, value-packed content like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated. Thanks.